Guys, how to upload files on Google Drive. In this video, I'm going to show you that. So here we are on Google Drive and currently we are in the moitechstation folder. So if I want to add a new file to the folder, what can I do? Well, on the left side here you can see we have a new button. So we can just click on the plus icon of the new button, and then we have file upload. Click on file upload. If you want to upload the entire folder, you can do that as well. I'm going to show you that as well. So let's just click on file upload, and then it's going to ask me which file do I want to upload, right? The file should be on your PC. So let's scroll down. I know where it is. So here you can see I have the file that I want to upload. So I will click, let's just say, on document. I'll click open, and here you can see uploading one item. So it has already uploaded. So the uploaded item will also show up like this over here. Guys, before continuing the video, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. So why does it show W here and a normal document or the Google Documents folder here? Well, this is a Word file, right? So I have actually made a Word document and then I have uploaded it. That's why it shows up as a Word document. And this document itself is a Google document. So I have made that file online and then I have just saved it here. So that's how easy it is. That's how you differentiate it. Another way of doing it is, guys, let's just say I want to open this folder. I'll make it smaller. Another way is, guys, let's just say I want to upload this sheet. I'll just drag and drop it over here. So here you can see it is currently saying copy on the right. So here you can see it has uploaded the item. So that is also an easy way. But how do you upload a folder? So we'll just go back to that file, right? So let's just say I want to upload this entire moitechstation folder, right? So I can just drag it and drop it over here. It says drop files to upload them. I'll just let go of my mouse, and here you can see moitechstation. The entire folder is uploading. The folder has 3 documents in it, and here you can see 2 uploads complete. So 2 uploads, why does it say 2 uploads and here it says 3 of 3? It's because the folder itself has 3 items in it, while we have currently uploaded only 2. So one of them was the sheet and one of them was the folder itself. So here you can see moitechstation folder has also been uploaded to Drive. So that is how easy it is to upload folders on Google Drive. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you have, drop a like, share and subscribe.